Imagine being stranded in space, unable to return to Earth for another year. Two NASA astronauts aboard the International Space Station find themselves in exactly that situation. But what went wrong? Why did the Boeing Starliner spacecraft return to Earth without its crew? What caused NASA to delay their return, and what does this mean for the future of space exploration? Stay with us as we dive into one of the most critical moments in modern space travel. The Boeing Starliner, once hailed as a key player in NASA's Commercial Crew Program, has faced numerous technical challenges throughout its journey, none more critical than the issues encountered during its latest mission. Upon approaching the International Space Station, ISS, the Starliner experienced significant propulsion system problems. These issues included malfunctioning thrusters and a concerning helium leak, which cast doubt on the spacecraft's ability to safely complete its return journey to Earth. The malfunctioning thrusters were the first red flag. These small thrusters are crucial for docking and maintaining the spacecraft's orientation during critical maneuvers, including its approach and undocking from the ISS. When several of them underperformed during the docking phase in June, NASA and Boeing engineers were forced to reassess their confidence in the system. Although Boeing reassured NASA that the larger thrusters, responsible for deorbiting the spacecraft, were functioning as expected, the performance issues of the smaller thrusters raised enough alarm to reconsider a crewed return. The helium leak compounded these concerns. Helium, an inert gas, is used to pressurize the fuel tanks and facilitate the spacecraft's propulsion system. While the leak did not pose a direct threat to the astronauts aboard the ISS, it highlighted deeper, unresolved technical flaws. Boeing and NASA emphasized that there was still enough helium for Starliner's uncrewed return, but the leak was a sign of broader reliability issues that demanded further investigation. Despite months of ground tests and analysis, NASA and Boeing could not definitively identify the root cause of these malfunctions. The lack of clear answers introduced an additional layer of uncertainty. As space travel is inherently risky, both organizations chose the more cautious approach, leaving Starliner unmanned for its return to Earth. This decision underscores the complexity of space missions. Modern spacecraft, despite cutting-edge technology, remain susceptible to unpredictable malfunctions. Even minor technical faults, like a thruster misfire or helium leak, can escalate into serious risks when operating in the harsh environment of space. The Starliner's situation reflects the balance NASA must constantly strike between technological innovation and ensuring the safety of its astronauts. NASA's decision to leave astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore aboard the International Space Station for an additional 5 months wasn't made lightly. Initially, the plan was for the Boeing Starliner to return them to Earth after completing its 3-month mission. However, with the propulsion issues and helium leaks still not fully understood, NASA prioritized safety over speed. The space environment is unforgiving, even the smallest technical failure can quickly escalate into life-threatening situations. Given this, NASA decided to extend their stay until February 2025. Instead of using the Starliner, the astronauts will return via SpaceX's Crew Dragon, a spacecraft with a proven track record. This spacecraft, built by Elon Musk's SpaceX, has successfully completed multiple crewed missions and is widely regarded as a reliable option for human spaceflight. The decision to rely on SpaceX's technology highlights not only the collaborative nature of modern space exploration but also the importance of redundancy in ensuring crew safety. Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore are far from unprepared for this extended mission. NASA has trained them extensively for long-duration stays aboard the ISS, including tasks such as spacewalks and operating the station's robotic arm. Their extended mission will involve additional responsibilities, and their skills will be crucial for maintaining the station's operations during this period. While unexpected, the decision also opens opportunities for more research and experimentation that wouldn't have been possible within their original mission timeline. This extended stay, however, does not come without its challenges. Psychological and physical pressures from prolonged time in space are well documented. The astronauts' ability to adapt to an extended mission underscores NASA's commitment to astronaut training and mission flexibility. While unforeseen technical problems with Starliner caused the change, NASA's careful planning and resourcefulness have ensured that the astronauts are both safe and capable of handling the additional time aboard the ISS. The future of Boeing's Starliner program is now uncertain. June's mission was the spacecraft's first with astronauts on board, a crucial step towards gaining NASA certification for regular crewed flights to the International Space Station. However, the technical issues have delayed this process, and NASA may now require Boeing to conduct additional crewed test flights before fully approving Starliner for operational missions. This could push back the spacecraft's role in NASA's broader space exploration agenda. The financial stakes for Boeing are high. Having secured a $4.2 billion contract with NASA in 2014, Boeing agreed to meet specific milestones in exchange for payment. However, this deal was structured differently from traditional cost-plus contracts, meaning Boeing is responsible for absorbing the additional costs caused by delays and technical issues. To date, the company has written off $1.6 billion in expenses related to the Starliner project. Despite these setbacks, Boeing remains committed to Starliner's success. During a press conference, NASA Administrator Bill Nelson expressed confidence in Boeing's new leadership, suggesting that the aerospace giant will continue refining Starliner to meet NASA's rigorous standards. Yet, with SpaceX's Crew Dragon proving itself as a reliable alternative, Boeing faces stiff competition. SpaceX has already completed several successful crewed missions, establishing itself as a dominant force in the commercial spaceflight industry. Boeing's perseverance in the face of technical challenges is critical not only for its own reputation but also for NASA's goal of maintaining multiple spacecraft options for crewed missions. Having redundancy in spacecraft ensures that the U.S. can sustain crewed missions to the ISS and beyond, without relying too heavily on a single company or technology. The success of the Starliner program remains essential for keeping this balance in the increasingly competitive field of space exploration. The challenges faced by Boeing's Starliner are more than just technical issues, they reflect the complexities and risks of modern space exploration. In this mission, we see how even the most advanced technology can encounter unforeseen problems. Yet, this also shows the resilience of human innovation. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, improve, and push forward. As we aim for the Moon, Mars, and beyond, these lessons are crucial for ensuring the safety and success of future space missions. The delay in returning astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore to Earth serves as a powerful reminder: space is unforgiving, but we are continuously evolving to meet its demands. Boeing's continued efforts with Starliner, despite its challenges, embody the pioneering spirit that has driven space exploration since its inception. Whether through overcoming technical malfunctions or extending astronaut missions, each challenge strengthens our ability to navigate the unknown. The Starliner mission underscores the importance of multiple players in space exploration. Boeing, SpaceX, and others are contributing to a future where space travel is not only a government endeavor but a collaborative, global effort. Having diverse technology options ensures resilience and flexibility as we expand human presence in space. Space exploration is a long journey, full of triumphs and challenges. If you're passionate about humanity's quest to conquer the cosmos and curious about what's next, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay connected with us as we follow these unfolding stories, dive into the mysteries of the universe, and celebrate the breakthroughs that shape our path to the stars. Your journey through space starts here. Join us, and let's explore the future together.